Hi everyone, my name is Alison Bieber and I am a voice teacher here at Virtu.Academy. I enjoy working with singers of all levels, ranging from beginner to advanced, and I received my vocal training from the Boston Conservatory at Berklee. I'm now pursuing a master's in linguistics, and I really do enjoy all genres of music, ranging from musical theater, opera, gospel, R&B. I do also like country music, and really anything. If you're interested in singer-songwriter stuff, that's another element I really enjoy. So if you're looking to create your own sound, kind of learn a little more about music theory, that's also something I love to teach. Today I wanted to discuss a few things that I like to talk about within the first lesson. And first things first is just awareness. So it's important to become aware of how you breathe and how you speak, because everyone's breath is different and everyone's mechanism is different. So the way you do things is going to be different from the way I do things. So I really encourage people to just spend the first 2 weeks of voice lessons focusing on what they're already doing right. I have a lot of students come to me saying, oh, I'm probably doing this wrong. I know I'm doing this wrong, but you're also probably doing a lot of things right. So that's really my first advice to you. Notice your speech patterns, notice your breath patterns, and just notice when you're really excited about something, how you take a big breath, right? And then let it out, and then notice what that feels like. It's the same thing with singing. Singing really is just heightened speech. So I'm going to be introducing 3 concepts that I would like you to think of as all equal parts of a tripod. So the first leg of the tripod will be vowels. Vowels are important because that's how we sustain notes. That's how we hold out long notes. And if you feel like you're struggling with sustaining notes, try focusing on the vowels. There's 5 vowel sounds that I like everyone to focus on, and that's E, E, A, O, U. So your goal is to try to fit every word you sing into one of those 5 vowel sounds. So this is how we sustain notes better. This is how we hold out anything we're singing, okay? So the second leg of this tripod is breath. It's really important for you to understand how your mechanism works, because the way your mechanism works is going to be different than how mine works. So being aware of your speech patterns, how you breathe when you get really excited about something, and just knowing what it feels like to take a deep breath, okay? That's something I can teach you, but it's also something you're already doing. So just tapping into that physical awareness is my best advice to you. Okay, so third leg on our tripod is placement. Placement of the tongue specifically. So when we talked about vowels, we talked about the 5, E, E, A, O, U. Okay, so when we do E, the tongue's out of the way. E, A, out of the way. You'll find too when you do O, U, they're also retracting back and out of the way. So the goal is to be able to project out, right? We need to have that open space. We need to be able to put our sound out into the environment, okay? So tongue placement is really essential. That goes hand in hand with tongue tension, but that's not to be confused with a low tongue to be a stiff tongue, okay? So the tongue still moves, it still does what it needs to do, but ultimately I want you thinking of that E position as home, okay? Again, my name is Alison Bieber, and I am a voice teacher here at Virtu Academy.